Doing some video for the channel. Here's some dragonflies flying around, eating bugs.
Look over there by the woods.
I am.
Up towards.
I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all could see.
That way. It's all good luck.
Okay.
Yeah, get all those on the hill.
You know what? I'm gonna get in the shade. Probably be better. You know what? While I'm here, might as well say like a nature video. Seems as if my nature videos are pulling a lot of views from y'all. Just let alone the outdoor content.
Well, the dragonflies on the hill is pretty badass.
Yeah, it seems as if my outdoors, as I said, is doing so much better since switching over. But it's also Travels is doing pretty decent too, so that's why I call it Travels and Gardening. That's how the name came about. Okay, this will be the end. Hope y'all enjoyed.